Yo, picture this, 300 smackaroos every single day. Yeah, you heard right. Imagine waking up every morning knowing that by the end of the day, you've got $300 in your pocket. No more ramen noodle nights, no more scraping by with the bare minimum, no more stressing over bills, no more sleepless nights wondering how you're gonna make ends meet. We talking about that sweet life, the kind where you can actually enjoy your hard-earned money. All thanks to this little something called Aticlix.net. It's not just a website, it's a game changer. Now I know what you're thinking. Kevin, is this another one of those get-rich-quick schemes? Is it too good to be true? Nah, man, this ain't no pyramid scheme, no shady business here. This is the real deal. It's legit, it's straightforward, and it's effective. We talking about hustling smart, not hard. So buckle up, get ready to change your life. Cause I'm about to break down how you can make it rain with Aticlix. It's simpler than you think. You down? Let's get it. Time to take control of your financial future. Aticlix.net, my friends, is the truth. It's like that friend who always knows where the party's at, but instead of parties, it's got money-making opportunities. See, Aticlix is what they call a paid-to-click website, or PTC for you cool cats. Basically, companies pay Aticlix to get their ads seen, and Aticlix shares some of that cash with you for watching those ads. It's like getting paid to watch TV, except way less boring and way more profitable. Now, let's talk about how to make that Aticlix magic happen. It's not rocket science, but it does require a bit of know-how and a sprinkle of dedication. Don't worry, it's easier than explaining to your grandma how to use a smartphone. Seriously, if you can navigate social media, you can handle this. First things first, you gotta create an account. This is your gateway to the Aticlix universe. Just head over to Aticlix.net and click that sign up button. Fill in your details and you're good to go. It's free, painless, and quicker than you can say, "Show me the money." In no time, you'll be ready to start earning. Once you're in, you'll see a bunch of ads. These ads are your ticket to earning some easy cash. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to click on those bad boys and watch them for a few seconds. It's like being a detective, but instead of solving crimes, you're raking in the dough. Boom, you just earned yourself some cash money. It's that simple. The more ads you watch, the more you earn. Aticlix ain't just about clicking ads. There's a whole world of opportunities to explore. They got these things called offers, which are like mini missions that pay even more. These offers can range from signing up for a free trial to downloading an app. Think, signing up for a free trial or taking a quick survey, easy peasy lemon squeezy. These tasks are straightforward and can add up to a significant amount over time. Now here's where things get really interesting. Aticlix has a referral program that can boost your earnings exponentially. You can invite your friends to join Aticlix, and every time they earn, you earn a little something too. It's a win-win situation. It's like building your own mini empire, one referral at a time. The more people you bring in, the more your network grows, and so do your earnings. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the Aticlix hustle and start making that magic happen today. All right, story time. Gather round, folks, because this is a tale you don't want to miss. My man Jerome, he was down on his luck, barely scraping by. Bills piling up, stress levels through the roof. Then he found Aticlix. Started small, just clicking a few ads here and there. It wasn't much at first, just a few extra bucks. But then he got his hustle on, started completing offers, invited all his friends. He was determined, putting in the hours, learning the ropes. Fast forward a few months and Jerome's laughing. Not just a little chuckle, but full-on belly laughs. He's making more money with Aticlix than he ever did at his old job. We're talking serious cash, folks. Bought himself a new car, took his girl on a fancy vacation. We're talking luxury, first class all the way. All thanks to Aticlix. And guess what? You can be like Jerome too. It's not just a dream, it's a reality. All you need is a little hustle and the right platform. So what are you waiting for? Now you gotta keep track of all that hard-earned cash, right? Don't worry, Aticlix makes it simple. They got this handy-dandy dashboard that shows you exactly how much you've earned, how much you've cashed out, and how close you are to that $300 a day dream. They got different ways to cash out too, like PayPal, which is basically the digital wallet of champions. So there you have it. The Aticlix blueprint to financial freedom. No more excuses, no more procrastinating. It's time to take control of your life and start stacking that paper. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day and neither is a financial empire. But with a little hustle and a whole lot of Aticlix, you can make it happen. So what are you waiting for? Head over to Aticlix.net and let's get this bread.